apps affairs show you
How to fix unable join network on Wi-Fi. So if you're trying to connect to a Wi-Fi and you're facing this unable join network issue, here's how you can fix this error. The first solution is make sure to enter the correct password. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on Wi-Fi and tap on the Wi-Fi that you want to connect. And in this password box, carefully write the Wi-Fi password and then tap on join. And after that, check the issue. And the second solution is give a simple restart. Sometime restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and also restart your Wi-Fi router. And then try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi and check the issue. The third solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and tap on screen time, and here tap on content and privacy restrictions. And here you have to disable content and privacy restrictions option. Once done, go ahead and try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi and check the issue. And the next solution is you can update your iOS version. To do that, make sure to enable your cellular data. After turning on cellular data, go to your general settings, tap on software update, and if you see any iOS update available, all you have to need just update the iOS version and then try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi and check the error. And the last and final solution is reset network settings. So after following all of these solutions, if you're still facing the same error, then go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down all the way to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and here tap on Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. After that, go to your Wi-Fi again and try to reconnect to the Wi-Fi and hope any of the solution will fix the error. If this video will help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.